Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 64GB Black. This is to replace my current iPhone SE first generation, whose battery is a bastard. What you can't see right here is I've currently got this rigged up to a laptop just so it won't run out of charge while we film. So, I'll get started. It's a very nice box, that's the first thing I'll say. That is solid. Alright, now, see if we can, oh, look at that. Very easy to unwrap. Throw that faff away. And now, we have it, the phone. Oh, yeah. Look at that, it's got a little tab there, so you can get it out nice and easy. And you got the nice plastic there, which my sweaty hands have already made a mess of. But let's get that bad boy off. Oh, yeah. It's stuck to my hand, that's always excellent. But you can see we have the phone, which is not turned on. Maybe I'll show you some footage of it on later. We also have a little fancy book. What does this book tell me? It's got another one of these pins. I have about 3 or 4 of them now. It's got a fancy sticker. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Again, fancy pin. Health and safety. Don't be a dumbass, you'll be fine. Then you got power and other stuff. Now, unfortunately, this new phone comes with the lightning cable, but lady in the store told me, and she is correct, this is actually a USB-C. Now, unfortunately, I only had the standard adapters that take USB. So I got myself one of these bad boys. That's what this fella's for. Let's not cut ourselves. Let's not get stabbed, always a good plan. Holy crap. I will tell you what, this boy, again, nice easy peel, but he's solid. This thing is double the weight of the one I've got, at least. Like, this is a monstrosity. The other problem I've got is I've just bought some new headphones, which obviously I do not have a jack. So I've bought one of these bad boys, which is alright, we can edit this out of me fucking this up. Alright. When in doubt. What I appreciate about these is they're very short, so they're not going to add too much length and be too cumbersome when you plug them in. But anyway, and that's what I did today. Hope you all enjoyed my video. I post them when I feel like it, so stay tuned or don't. And there we have it. We've got the phone all set up. You can see got some apps and whatnot there. But yeah, there we go. That is the new iPhone 11. Gotta say, definitely an improvement over my SE, that is first generation, that is recording this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you smash that like button like it's 1999. Cheers.